Exercise 7.1, question number 6. Name the type of quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points and give reason for your answer. So there are 3 questions in this. So I am going to solve here the first part for you, so that based on that, remaining 2 parts you can do by yourself. So the first part is, we have the coordinates -1, 2, 1, 0, -1, 2. The first one we have -1, -2, and the last one is -3, 0. So these are the 4 coordinates we have. So first of all, let us plot them as quadrilateral, a random quadrilateral. Please don't make any special quadrilateral, otherwise you may assume something from that. So just draw a random quadrilateral, a closed figure by 4 sides, like here I have done, and I am naming it as A, B, C, D, and plotting these coordinates in the same order, considering this one as A, -1, -2, this one as B, 1, 0, this one as C, -1, 2, and this one as D, -3, 0. So to check that what kind of quadrilateral we have, we will find out all the 4 distances AB, BC, CD and D. Okay, so AB is equal to, we are going to use here distance formula, same formula which we have used in previous questions, that is under root in bracket x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, and considering this one as x1 y1 and this one as x2 y2, or x1 y1 and x2 y2, your choice, because the answer will not change. I am considering this one as x1 y1 x2 y2. So AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1, 1 minus, we have -1, so minus becomes plus, 1 plus 1 whole square, plus y2 minus y1, 0 minus -2, that is +2 whole square. So we get AB is equal to under root 1 plus 1 2, 2 square equal to 4, plus 0 plus 2 2, 2 square is 4. So we get AB is equal to under root 8, which is equal to 2 under root 2. Let this be equation number 1. Now let's find out BC. So BC is equal to under root, considering this one as x1 y1 and this one as x2 y2. Okay, so x2 minus x1, that is -1 minus 1 whole square, plus y2 minus y1, 2 minus 0 whole square. That implies BC is equal to under root -1 minus 1 is -2, so -2 square is 4, plus 2 minus 0 is 2, and 2 square equal to 4. So we get BC is equal to under root 8, which is equal to 2 under root 2. So till now we have got AB and BC both are equal. Let's see the third one. We have CD. So CD is equal to under root x1 y1 x2 y2. So minus 3 minus minus 1 मतलब plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square. That implies CD is equal to under root minus 3 plus 1 equal to minus 2 and minus 2 square equal to 4 plus 0 minus 2 is minus 2 and minus 2 square is 4. Therefore, CD is equal to under root 8, which is also equal to 2 under root 2. This was your third part. Now let's find out DA. So DA, considering this one as x1 y1 and this one as x2 y2. So DA is equal to under root x2 minus x1 minus 1 minus minus 3 means plus 3 whole square plus minus 2 minus 0 whole square. That implies DA is equal to under root minus 1 plus 3 is 2 and 2 square is 4 plus minus 2 minus 0 is minus 2 and minus 2 square is 4. Therefore, DA is equal to under root 8, which is equal to 2 under root 2. This is your fourth value. So we observe that by first, second, third and fourth, we have AB is equal to BC is equal to CD equal to DA. That means ABCD is a, you can say, rhombus. Till now it's a rhombus. But to confirm that whether it is a square or not, let's check diagonals. Now we have got that all four sides are equal, so it is a rhombus. Now if diagonals are also equal, then we will be having a square. But if diagonal is not equal, then it will be a rhombus. It will be confirmed. So let's check diagonals. So in our quadrilateral, diagonal we have AC and BD. So now we will find out AC and BD. So diagonal AC and diagonal BD we find by distance formula. So first for AC, this one as x1 y1 and this one as x2 y2. So diagonal AC will be equal to under root, I have minus 1 minus minus 1, that is plus 1 the whole square plus 2 minus minus 2, that is plus 2 whole square. That implies AC is equal to under root. Now minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0 as they cancel. So 0 square equal to 0 plus 2 plus 2 is 4 and 4 square is 16. Therefore, AC is equal to 0 plus 16 is under root 16, which is equal to 4. This is our fifth value. Let's find out BD. So BD we have minus 3 comma 0 and 1 comma 0 x1 y1 x2 y2. So minus 3 minus 1 whole square. So BD will be equal to under root x2 minus x1 minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1, that is 0 minus 0 whole square. That implies BD is equal to minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4 and minus 4 square is 16 plus 0 minus 0 is equal to 0 and 0 square is also 0. So BD is equal to under root 16, which is equal to 4. So by equation number 5 and 6 we observe that AC is equal to BD, and here we have got all the four sides equal. So in a quadrilateral, if all four sides are equal and diagonals are also equal, then that quadrilateral is a square. So we have ABCD is a square. Okay. So based on this, we can solve the remaining two parts.